So we started off with a bit of a grubby fumble, you see.
Yes, I see. And then what?
Well, don't forget, I was still living at home then.
And?
Well, I had a good old grope. She was surprisingly firm, actually.
And then what?
I snogged her, didn't I? Tongues and everything. But then my mum came in and caught us.
And what did your mum say?
Show your grandmother more respect.
This is my day. This is my day. Nothing's gonna stop me. No one's gonna hurt me. No one's gonna make me beg or make me go
Either of you guys see those strange lights last night?
No.
You didn't hear that really loud rumbling noise? And you didn't feel that violent shaking? And that funny smell?
Was it a rather scary, violent, and unpleasant experience?
Well, yes.
Hold on. Did you fuck the parrot last night? I'd assume that's a no. Sorry, I really don't know what you're talking about.
UFOs.
What?
All that noise. I think that a UFO may have landed in the garden last night, near the greenhouse.
Is it there now?
No. Either it's taken off back into Earth's outer atmosphere, or it's using some sort of cloaking device. We probably won't know how that works for quite a few years yet.
Who's we?
Scientists.
You're not a scientist, you're a twat.
I'm telling you that there's a UFO in the garden.
The only unidentified flying object around here is you.
So you don't believe me? Then how do you explain this?
It's a whisk.
Sorry, I meant this.
What is it?
We think it is an advanced prototype for a space helmet that converts oxygen to whatever gases the aliens need to breathe on Earth. You'll notice the complex conversion unit on the side.
I'll also notice that you made it yourself.
Are you saying you don't believe that I saw a UFO?
I'm saying you can't have seen one because UFOs don't exist. Do they?
No. No, they don't.
How long has he been staring out of the window like that?
3 hours.
What's he looking at?
The spaceship, I reckon. He's probably communicating with it via some sort of telekinesis.
Or he could just be staring out of the window.
I think what's happened is that the aliens have replaced him with an evil robot version of himself.
And that's your best explanation, is it?
All the evidence points to it.
What evidence?
I don't know.
Fuckwit.
What worries me is that he hasn't attempted to shag the furniture, interfere with himself, or throw cutlery down the toilet.
Maybe he's pining for something.
Or maybe he's waiting for a signal from the mothership.
No, that's just you.
Good. Now that we've established that you're completely off your fucking trolley, why don't we go into the kitchen and have a nice cup of tea?
Oh my God! It's the spaceship! She's taking off!
No, it's a thunderstorm.
What? Localized entirely to our back garden?
Is the parrot under guarantee?
I don't know. Why?
I was just thinking we could send him back and get something more useful, like a toilet brush.
We already use it for that. There. See? Storm over. Now, shall we have that cup of tea?
Yes. Let's all drink tea.
You see, this is what happens when you have too much time on your hands.
Silence, Earthling. You are now our prisoner.
Oh, for fuck's sake, not you as well.
Resistance is futile.
Is it really? And now what? I suppose you're going to tie me to the kitchen table and conduct experiments on me, are you? Excuse me, is this going to take long? Only I'm going to a dinner party this evening and I'll be missed if I don't turn up.
Our scanners indicate that you cannot be going to a party.
Why's that then?
You have no friends.
What have you done with the real Trevor, Cat and Parrot?
They are being contained on board our ship in a state of suspended animation. Their vital signs monitored by our advanced technology.
Really?
No, not really. We killed them.
Oh.
And now we must use our special probe to examine you.
A probe?
Yes, an advanced mind-melding device that will read your innermost thoughts, neutralize them, and then subject you completely to our alien will. Oh, and it can also be used as a tin opener.
Mind-melding device? You mean you intend to attach that thing to my head?
No, we need to get to your brain, so we're going to stick it up your arse.
What?
The experience is not entirely unpleasant.
How dare you? I've never been so... Has this got anything to do with my Kylie Minogue fan club membership?
Turn him over.
No, please, no. I'll do anything you ask.
Anything?
Yes, anything. There must be something you want me to do.
Well, now you come to mention it. Earth Dog, bring us more food.
I won't do it. Okay, I will do it, yes.
Yes, what?
Yes, master.
And I'll have some milk.
Yes, mistress.
And bring me some birdseed.
Yes, master. This is so degrading.
Then you can clean the place, wash the windows and make the beds. After which you shall dance for our general amusement.
And touch yourself in a special way. Or maybe not.
Can I ask you something? How long should we let the Earth Dog continue to serve us?
For as long as the stupid bastard really believes we're aliens.
You mean we're not really aliens? The second man to set foot on the surface of the moon was Buzz Aldrin. Nee, eintlik, dit was Winnie Mandela en al die kruites was deur haar toy-toying. Of course, Buzz Aldrin wasn't christened Buzz. That would be a very stupid thing to christen a child, wouldn't it? Buzz. His real name was Whiz. Following his excursion to the lunar surface, Buzz went completely mad, often turning up at cocktail parties in Cape Canaveral dressed in nothing but a muslin body stocking and a plastic rain hat. It protects me from the moon's rays, he would say. He would then stir the punch bowl with his penis and tell everyone it was a giant leap for mankind. I met Buzz Aldrin once. I asked him if it was possible to drink your own urine in zero gravity. He didn't say anything at all, but he did try and touch me.
What are you doing, Earth Dog?
Leave me alone. I can't take it anymore. Probe me if you must. Experiment on me. Send me into outer space. But I'm not going to be your... What's wrong with your eyes? Why do they look normal?
They are normal.
What?
It was just a joke. Nothing to get excited about.
And you did a great job tidying the place.
You mean... But you... You're not...
Yes, we did trick you. No, we're not alien robots. And yes, you're an arse. Though while you're here, any chance of a sandwich?
I'm going to have to kill you.
Look it! That funny storm's back again.
What funny storm.
Strange. They didn't mention this on the forecast.
Well, whatever it is, it's gone. Why don't we all sit down and have a slice of cake?
Yeah, all right. What is it?
Battenberg. Hamish?
Cake. Yes, that would be nice.